How to use the copy command in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to use the copy command in AutoCAD. Click the Home tab. Modify panel. Then, choose the copy command. Or you can type CO in the command line. Choose the copy mode option single or multiple. The single mode creates a single copy of selected objects and ends the command. On the other hand, the multiple mode overrides the single mode setting. The copy command is set to repeat automatically for the duration of the command. Specify the base point. Specify the second point, or you can choose the array option. The array option helps you to arrange a specified number of copies in a linear array. Enter the number of the items in the array. Then, specify the second point, or click Fit. This option helps you to position the final copy in the array at the specified displacement. The other copies are fit in a linear array between the original selection set and the final copy.